Hey you guys, and welcome back. This is Stephanie Campbell, Miss Campbell Story Hour. I just wanted to do a video of the beans or the peas that was in the classroom, and then I brought it home, planted it, and here we are. So it's actually really growing. I actually also had planted some other things, but we have an animal. I don't know where he comes from, but he constantly eats the fruits and vegetables and stuff that I plant, so I'm struggling. This right here is cucumbers, so that's growing really nicely. They're tiny right now, they're not big yet, but they're coming along, so hopefully they won't snatch that up. This was supposed to be callaloo, but they enjoyed themselves and ate that up. And that's scallion. Okay. So this was the one that the kids gave me, the peas, so it's growing. And here we have some others. They're growing as well. Rosemary, that's growing nicely. Parsley. So I would say, guys, if you have a little space, plant and grow something. Mint is one of the things that's really growing really nicely. So I tried to plant in the summer months. And then here we are. We have peppers. It's growing. I have a big one. And we have a tiny little one here somewhere. It's growing as well. And of course, we have tomatoes. That's growing. Thyme, growing. Okay, that's also pepper as well. It's just different color pepper. If you guys can see it under the leaf, there it is, growing. Yeah. Hey, Miss Velasquez. Yep. So they planted, and I brought it home. So, you know, in the classroom, it could only grow but so much. So I decided to invest in bringing it home. So I'm doing this for them. Hopefully they're going to see it today, but hopefully they'll see what they tried to plant. And so I was able to take it home. So the next time I get married, hopefully, I think I want to marry a farmer. Somebody that's good with their hands, so it could help me do my job. So yeah, you guys, so that's kind of basically it. I was telling one of the teachers today that I have a lot of pear, but I haven't eaten any of them, so I'll just take it over to them. My pear tree, and I have lots of pears on the tree. You guys, lots of pear on the tree. I mean, hanging. I haven't touched them because I'm like scared that I'm scared that may have worms. So I'm just like, yo, I'm not trying to invest in eating worms, but they might be okay. But I wouldn't know. And there it is. This is just like all the pears that's in my tree, and I haven't been able to do anything with it because I'm too scared to eat them. So I wish someone would come and pick them, take a bag home and share them. So yeah, it's a big tree. It's here. It would be great for the kids to have experience with it because, you know, city kids. Yeah, so like I said, next time, God bless me, hopefully. I hope he sends me a farm. Not a lawyer, not a doctor. You see where I am? Food, because I'm a foodie. I love food, you guys. I really do. I am a foodie. Yeah, so that's really where we are with it. again, we do have animals. They come and they feast on the things that I have, so it's really upsetting. But I'm hoping once the tomatoes get to color and red, I'll be able to take them to school and share it so the kids could try them. The peppers, I mean, I think they can try the peppers as well. I think that's a good way. Mint, you know, mint just grows. It comes back up after. But yeah, so I'm a farmer at heart. Not a fan of the worms and everything else, but just the good eating stuff, because I'm from the Caribbean, so that fresh stuff. So that's all we got for today. I'll keep coming back just to check, and again, hopefully the kids will get a chance to see the video. I know it's live now, but hopefully they'll get to see it. The teachers will be able to pull it up for them so they could see that I didn't just throw away their stuff. I actually went home and planted it for them once it was not able to continue growing. I planted something else here, but those critters eat whatever they want. As you can see, the pear, it falls on the ground and they eat. Have squirrels and all the other stuff that goes on around here. So we're waiting to see what goes on. Yeah. All right. Next time, everybody. Bye.